ان سے بات ہوئی ہے تو ان کی اتنی خواہشات ہیں, اتنا ان کو مزہ آیا ہے. میں سمجھتا ہوں جو منزل ہے وہ دن بہ دن ان کی بلیسنگ کے ساتھ یہ ہماری نزدیک ہوتی جائے گی. اور آج ہم نے پرے کے اندر یہی مانگا ہے, میں نے خود ان کے ساتھ چل کے پرے کیا ہے کہ مجھے یہ ہمت دے اور آپ بھی یہاں سے اچھا میسج لے کے جائیں اور پاکستان کے ایمبیسیڈر بنیں. ایکسیلنسی بس ادھر کھڑا رہنا, آواز آ جائے گا نا, دوسرا بھی لگا دینا ایسے ٹائم.
On behalf of all the foreign delegations, we are here from different countries, from Sri Lanka, Myanmar, Thailand, South Korea, China, and many other countries are here to witness the importance of all these sites, which I would say that are archaeological sites, which has a very universal value, not only to Buddhists. Of course, for the Buddhists, it's no doubt. These are the places once we can imagine. There's many saffron robe like us who are walking around here, doing their practice, doing their chanting, studying the Buddhist philosophy, and so and so. But in this phase, in this 21st century, we are seeing here as a ruin, and archaeological ruins. We are seeing here as a dead archaeology, as everyone is seeing us. But if we have a wisdom, if we have a dedication like His Excellency here, we can see that the story doesn't end with these rocks. The story doesn't end with all these ruins of this monastery. But whole idea is that amidst this very hot weather, we are still able to stand still, and then we can still appreciate the wealthy, the beauty once it holds in this place.
Regional cooperation and